This video will provide an introduction to your assignment research guide for ASTE 5260. Hi, I'm Jen Kirk and I'm the Government Information Librarian at USU Libraries. I'm available to help you with research for your assignment. My contact information is available on the right side of the research guide and is on the library website, library.usu.edu. I have provided resources to complete your assignment in your Canvas page under Research Help. You can also access the research guide via a web browser at libguides.usu.edu/ASTE5260. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of the research guide and the information that you can find there. Please note that as the semester continues, I may add additional resources to the guide. Your assignment asks you to research a law, a court decision, or a policy affecting environmental quality. You will look for information about 1. The law's history, who was involved, which committee dealt with it, and 2. The law's impact, who the law affects and how it affects them. You will need to use government information resources as well as other kinds of sources, such as journals, books, and newspapers to fully understand the law and its impacts. This guide will show you where to go for these kinds of information, as well as point you toward help in citing your sources for your paper or presentation. Let's turn to the research guide. On the Researching a Law tab, you'll find the bulk of the resources on this guide, including information to orient you to your assignment. See the section titled This Guide to download a helpful handout that includes research tips for how to structure your research and where you should look for information. Open it alongside your research to follow along and find the right resources for your assignment. For more about how to use this handout, watch the Introduction to Government Information video on this page. The next section, Resources for Laws, Regulations, and Court Cases, features links to recommended resources depending on whether you're researching a law, a regulation, or a court case. When you see a blue circle with an arrow on it, you can click on it to access a tutorial for that database. The tutorial may include videos, text, and screenshots to help you fully utilize the database and its features. Embedded videos provide short tutorials for resources as well. I've also included helpful information like this tip in the link description areas. If you're new to accessing materials online, check out our statewide campuses and online library services link for more information. If you'd like to learn more about government information, you can do that on the guide's second tab. It will orient you to search tips, publication dates, and additional online databases to search for information. You can also find government information in person at the library. See physical materials, visit the Government Information Department for details. We'd be happy to see you on the library's lower level. The Additional Resources tab provides access to significant resources that will help you understand the impact of your law. The page is divided into sections, one for journal articles, one for books and background information, and one for government agency websites. Each section may be useful to search. Remember to look for helpful tips and the tutorial icon. On the FAQ tab, you can find links to tutorials for commonly asked questions. You can find information about how to get started with research, evaluate sources, and even cite and organize sources. The final tab is class evaluation. Feel free to offer your honest assessment of my work via this anonymous survey. As you work on your assignment, please feel free to reach out with anything from a quick question to a request for a longer meeting with a librarian. My contact information is on the guide. I look forward to hearing from you.